What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm ibrenee. Today we're talking about tatas. If you're like me, I kind of struggle with shirts that you're not supposed to wear a bra with, or that you can't wear like a traditional bra with. So like letting your strap show or something like that. Like, I struggle to find something that works. I hate strapless bras because they never work. I feel like they always fold over. Maybe I just have weird proportions or something. I don't know, but strapless bras never work for me, so I hate them. That brings us to today. All right, right now we're trying something. We're gonna try out this BUSTIES kit. It's a whole tit. What? I was just saying a whole tit. It comes with this little pouch, so you can put everything in the pouch. The tape, I already cut some, so I probably cut too much. I don't know. But yeah, it comes with the tape. You have your instructions, which is all right. You know what I'm saying? They're not detailed. You still gotta wing it, okay? Your nipple covers, right? Your patch test to make sure that the strip doesn't irritate the skin. And then your flower petal, I think these are satin nipple covers. These are amazing. They're like super duper thin. I don't know if you can tell. Super duper thin and soft. So they're basically undetectable. I'm not going to use these today because I already tried them. So I'm going to this time try the silicone nipple covers. Okay, anyway, so here I am standing up. So I don't wear a bra with this, okay? When I go out and I wear the shirt, I have multiple colors. I do not wear a bra with this because it's tight enough to where I don't feel like I need one, but the downside is I just get regular boob. Zero cleavage, and that's what I'm gonna try to achieve today. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little covers on and see how I feel about these. I absolutely hate nipple covers because I feel like they give me a protruding nipple. So we'll see if we like these. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, they did something. So now I need to lift the boobage. I don't think I need that much, honestly. It's measured on the inside. I would only peel off like this much, stick that part to myself, and then peel it back to release the tape as I go, so that I don't get a bunched up piece of tape. Okay, boom. We made it to Cleavageville. The girls are sitting, okay? I do have a lot of tape. I'm not gonna hold you. I didn't know what I was doing, like I said, so it's a lot of tape up under there. It looks like a science experiment up underneath here. I look like a mummy. I look like Mod Podge. She looking kind of crazy up under here, but regardless, she looked good up top. Yep. You're supposed to be able to just take this off with oil. Like if you need help, just rub some oil on it. I did. The first time I tried this, I did take it off, just rip that joint off like a band-aid, and it was fine for my skin. Overall thoughts. She is cute, okay? She definitely worked on my shirt. As you can see, you saw, I struggled, but I got there. Comes in this cute little bag, which I think is great too, because then you can just kind of travel with, or not even travel, you can just keep everything together, what you need. So even if you wanted to like get some little, like the little mini scissors, stick those in here for cutting, chill. Put your tape in here, got your nipple covers, your scissors, and boom. I do feel very secure. Go get it. I don't believe, do I have a discount code? I don't know if I have a discount code. If I do, I'll leave it on the screen or in the description box below that you can get this kit with. I'll definitely leave the link for you to grab it. Go grab it. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.